Okay, so what are we doing? We're over here at gotomath.com. That's what we're doing. And click on algebra. Let's go down to absolute value, absolute value inequalities. Forgot what I was doing. Started thinking about something else I don't need to be thinking about. That's for sure. Alright, so let's write this down. We got 15 over 7x minus 1 over 17 is greater than or equal to 19 over 15. So really basically what's going on with these last two problems, it's all about dealing with fractions. Alright, so maybe you don't have your fractions completely down. This might help out, who knows. Alright. So that's really the story. Kind of run out of ideas, so I'm like, well, let's just do some fractions. So we got the integral, forget that. We got that's something in calculus, so don't worry about it. Negative ones. I don't know why I said that. The integral. It's not that tough, I promise. You can move on right on over there to calculus and find out what that is if you want. If you dare. Okay, so what do? Well, we drop the absolute value signs. Now we're dealing with some fractions. Yay. I know that's what you were saying to yourself. Yay. And of course, remember it's pointing to the right, so that means or. Think of union also. Then we got 15 over 7x. And I don't mean the union up at the university. No, actually, it is kind of the same, believe it or not. The union. I think most colleges have unions. It's where everybody meets up, right? They join up. You join both sets up and get a bigger set. Okay, what do we got going on here? Let's do this one here. So let's go ahead, take this minus this negative 1 over 17 to the right. So we have 15 over 7x is greater than or equal to 19 over 15 plus 1 over 17 plus 1 over 17. So we're going to need to get that into one nice fraction. And this section's not a section on how to calculate fractions, okay? So this is kind of, we're not going to get into that. If you want to learn how to do fractions, you need to move over to the fraction section. I'm getting 338 over 255. Isn't that a nice, lovely number? And now we've got, let me just go ahead and write this over here, 15/7 x. And so now what we're going to want to do is multiply. Now I will tell you this. We're going to multiply this side by 17 over 15. And that means 7 over 15, not 17. And that means we got to do the same thing to this side over here. So those guys will cancel out. I will give you a hint on that. Aren't I nice? X is greater than or equal to, and oh Lord. So we're going to multiply that by 7 over 15. And hopefully something cancels out. And man, I got bad news to tell you. I didn't get much canceling out on that deal. So we got 23/66, boy, what an exercise, over 38/25. Isn't that lovely? Alright, so let's now look at this side. Ooh, I bet you guys were going, look, he's about to make a mistake. We want to, so we flip that, to do that, and make that negative. I don't know why I didn't do that. Alright, and let's just put kind of a line divider here. Okay, so take that over to the other side. So we have 15 over 7x is less than or equal to negative 19 over 15 plus 1 over 17. So I'm going to let you figure that out. I hope I didn't make any mistakes here. That is not going to be good. Let's see, good news is I get the same denominator. Okay, so 15 over 7x is less than or equal to negative 308 over 255. So that's actually kind of good. And then, so once again, multiply both sides by 7 over 15, less than or equal to negative. And so 308 times 7 is some big number divided by 255 times 15 divided by 255. Nasty. Alright, 21. My pen didn't want to write there for a second. It's like I'm not dealing with those kind of numbers. 3825. Isn't that terrible? Okay, so we have x is greater than and x is less than or equal to negative, whatever that is. Let's just go up here and 2156. Yeah. Okay. Let's look here. X is negative 2156 over 3825. Okay, and x is greater than 2366 over 3825. 2366. Alright, okay. So, not nice numbers to be dealing with. No, it's not. Alright. Okay, so what are we doing? We're over here at gotomath.com doing some algebra, working some inequality, absolute value inequalities. That's what we're doing. Alright, see you later.